Disclaimer: this material is for informational purposes only and does not constitute any call to action. Trading always involves risks. Access to my bot is granted only if all rules are followed. Hey guys, hello everyone, and I'm happy to welcome each of you to my channel. In today's video, we will be trading using my trading robot, which will provide me with signals, and we'll test it on 3 currency pairs to see if it gives me the correct signal on each one. I want to earn about $2,500 to $3,000 today thanks to my tool. Let's see if it can really deliver these results and test its accuracy. This trading robot is completely free, and the link to it will be in the description below this video. You can activate it. As I mentioned earlier, it is absolutely free. So we can start our trading. First, I'll switch to the asset I'll be trading on. As you can see, today I'll be trading on over-the-counter currency pairs: the Arab dirham and the Chinese yuan. Let's open this asset on the robot. The signal is for 1 minute. We see that the trading robot tells me to open a buy trade. I immediately opened a buy trade after receiving the signal. The accuracy of this signal is 92%. Now, while this trade is in progress, I will conduct my own technical analysis. I see that the price is currently rising along the trend. Accordingly, a reversal to a buy occurred from this support level. At the same time, we have a rather peculiar situation here, which seems to be both a false and a true breakout. After every breakout of a support or resistance level, there is always a pullback. A pullback occurred, and at the same time, a triangle pattern is present. The direction of the breakout matches the subsequent price movement. Accordingly, we expect a rapid and confident upward movement as a new trend forms, which is exactly what happened on our chart. I see that the price has increased. I see that the price is rising, and there is a difference of more than 140 points since my entry. I made $920 in net profit in just 1 minute of trading. An excellent result. I am completely satisfied and happy with it, so I'm moving on to the next asset: Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. We open this asset on the trading robot and launch a 1-minute signal. The trading robot tells me to sell. I immediately press the sell button after receiving the signal. The accuracy of this signal is 90%. Now I'll check with my own technical analysis why the trading robot is telling me to open a sell trade here. We can see the price dropping down. We can see repeated breakouts of our support zone. Accordingly, now the third local support zone has been broken, which means this is a pullback to the resistance zone, and we expect the price to continue falling. Therefore, I am more than confident that the trading robot is absolutely right, and we are expecting a drop here, where our trade will ultimately close in profit. What matters most to me is that the accuracy of this signal works out correctly. I made money here, earned a solid profit, and simply had no doubts about the accuracy of the tool I use. But everything happened just as this tool predicted. The price continued to move down. As a result, I made a profit of $920 on this trade. I consider this result to be more than excellent. Awesome. 2 out of 3 trades have already closed in profit for me. We'll move on to the next trade soon. In the meantime, I want to remind you that this trading tool is free. Remember that there are always risks involved in trading, of course. It's important to keep that in mind. Any trader who tells you there are no risks is someone who is misleading you, and you need to understand that. You can always make money in trading, but at the same time, you can also lose money. And you need to be prepared for that. You should always be guided by your sound, cool-headed judgment and only trade after double-checking all the most important key factors. This robot is free, and the link to it will be in the description below this video. Now I'm moving on to the next asset where I will be trading: Australian dollar and Swiss franc. I'm opening a trade. I accidentally opened it for 10 seconds. Let's review our analysis again. 1 minute buy. Even though the price is still trading upwards right now, the trading robot says you need to buy. I'll take a look at a higher time frame to see what's happening here. But overall, the picture is rather unclear. There's a strong breakout, a constant upward trend. Let's see where it leads. It's hard for me to predict anything here using technical analysis because I'll just show you what's happening in this segment. We have a zone where the price was trading. Overall, it wasn't very different, but then there was a sudden strong surge from the buyers. The price keeps rising and rising. It doesn't have time to pull back. Based on this, the trading robot is convinced that due to the large volumes of financial investment in this asset, the price will continue to rise. As I mentioned earlier, the most important thing for me is simply that this trade closes above this entry point, which is exactly what's happening. And the 90% signal accuracy fully confirms this result. I earned $920. So my profit for the day was 3 times $920. That's a great result, it's awesome, the accuracy is phenomenal, and I was able to earn this without any martingale or doubling strategies. Just neat trades that built up a solid, profitable capital. I think that's fantastic. The trading robot worked perfectly for me. I'll leave a link to it in the description below this video. As I mentioned earlier, it's free, and with that I'll be saying goodbye. Have a great day everyone. See you next time. Bye everyone.